Hi, welcome back. I'm here with another craft ideal. Come up with ideals, and then sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. This one, I want to try to bling out these Margarita glasses. I have some of the Himalayan pink salt that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Had to cut the top off because it's a grinder. I couldn't get it off. And I thought, oh, it's pretty, and it'll make for nice craft. I know it's good for you for salt purposes, but I want to try it on these glasses. I have another bottle, and what I don't use for this craft, I'll have for food. And I can put in another one of my grinders. I'm using a low temperature glue gun. I tried to see if it would work with just using water, and it didn't work. But one thing about hot glue, I can soak and get this off later. Oh, you can't see what I'm doing. See, I have a couple of strings from the, so I don't know if this idea is going to work. I'm going to have to put more glue than I anticipated on here. And just take and mash them on there. It's a pretty pink salt. So let me move this over this way so you can see what I'm doing. I only brought in one glue stick, but I have a feeling I'll have to go get some more out of my craft garage since I don't have a craft room. I usually end up bringing materials in here in the kitchen, which even if I had a craft room, I'd probably still craft at the kitchen table, because then I can, if I wanted to cook, I could cook and craft at the same time. So, hope everybody is fine, doing well. Nothing's happening around here, the same old mess. Everybody eating up everything. I'm going to be posting different type of videos. I do a lot of different stuff. So anything craft or cooking, decorating. I mean, spring will be here shortly. I may show you how to do a little gardening, maybe. Or I'll show you after my husband finishes it. But if you're interested in gardening, check out how we decorated our patio video last year. I think that came out nice. Okay. This is coming out pretty good. It's kind of light there. It's kind of hard to see. But it's like a little pretty pink rim around the top of the glass. And when I'm finished, I can just soak these, and hopefully I won't have trouble getting the glue off. I never use these glasses anyway. Okay, so I'm going to put some more glue in. We'll go all the way around the glass. And I got 3 more to go, but I won't bore you with all of them. I just want to show you. This is going to be for my spring tablescape. Yeah, it would have been easier if I just rolled it in the salt. But I think some of them I have to press down into the glue. Little talking trash back there. As long as he stay back there. And don't come and try to mess up my video. I thought he was talking to my grandson, Isaac, but he's on the phone. He's getting there. Looks like it's going to take another maybe 2 to 3 glue sticks, depending on how far down the glass I wanted to go. I decided to use my low temperature gun so I didn't know if the high temperature glue gun would crack the glass. Might not get much done today. Isaac already wanted me to watch him play on his game. I don't know why he wants me to watch him play. He don't ever want me to watch. He don't ever want to watch me play. I've never seen a kid that didn't like to do crafts. He might like it at school, but here I always say, you want to help me? No, you do it. I was hoping I could clean up my craft area and show it to you a little bit, since it's warm today. See, look at your fingers. How do you get all icky with this glue? And then I have to go back and pull the strings off. Oops. Okay, let me get these strings off my fingers and show you. I got some string on the inside of the glass. Clean that up. But this is how it turned out. I think it came out pretty. So I got 3 more to go. And I think I'm going to fill in some of the gaps where it's not as thick. And once I get it on my table with the other decorations, I'll be sure to show you that. I have one more, I know I got the same shirt on in the last video, but trying to knock out a few. I'm going to show you one more craft item. Okay.